What's up, guys? An Everyday Canadian, and today we are cloning a cactus. So I've noticed this cactus arm getting pretty big, so it's time to cut down. These are just the arms of the cactus, so we can actually regrow these. To clone a cactus, you'll need a cactus. You'll need something very sharp to cut the arm off, some alcohol to clean your knife. This is an example of one of the cactuses I cloned, I think about a year ago. And it's doing pretty good. It's already got an arm growing off of it. But just an example. Some Clonix ProMix stem root. This is a rooting hormone that you can use. You can get it for about $3 at Walmart. And another pot to pot the arm in. So, or put the arm in, sorry. So we went ahead and pre-soaked this pot already. What's going to happen next is we're going to cut the arm, place it in. You don't need sandy soil. This is just normal potting soil. It works just as good. And yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so I took some alcohol here and just wiped down my knife so I can keep that clean and the area clean. So what we're going to do next, because it's hard to film with one hand, I'm going to use this bigger guy. And we're just going to cut a straight line right at the base of it. So right there, right down. And we're only going to do one today just to give you guys an idea on how to clone your cactus. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I can't do it with one arm because I have to hold both to do it, but I'll get that cut off for you. All right, so we have the, ow, that's sharp. You got to be careful. We have a nice clean cut. Now, there's a couple things you can do here. You can take the cactus arm, you can set it aside for about 2-3 weeks, and what'll happen at the end, and keep it in a dry place too, you don't want to add any water to this, just a dry, cool place. And what's going to happen is there's going to be roots that'll actually shoot out of this. You can plant that right into soil, but instead we're going to use the rooting hormone that I've been using before. And you're just going to dip that inside and then plant right to the soil. So let's get started. I'll show you exactly what I mean. All right, so we got our rooting hormone here. Just going to take your cactus, move it around, up and down. Make sure that that piece is coated really well. Or you can just leave it in there for a few seconds, maybe a minute. I like to do about 10 seconds so it can absorb some of that rooting hormone. And then what we're going to do, set that aside. It's already went ahead and pre-soaked the soil. We're just going to take that out, and you can actually plant this directly in the soil. You can even use the rooting hormone, still put it aside and let it dry out to get some roots, but I went ahead already and put it directly into the soil just like that, and no more watering after this. It's okay to pre-soak the plant ahead of time. You're not going to water for at least 2 to 3 weeks. It's a cactus, so they don't require a lot of water, but this is our moon cactus, and it'll grow arms all the time. Just cut them off. You can get smaller pots and then continue to do this. And then, or, you know, give them to a friend if you have too many. Just, yeah. So it's a cool little video I thought I would share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on social media. This is an Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys.